Welcome to Speed Zone, where we bring you the latest and most exciting vehicle reviews. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Suzuki Minibus, a compact yet versatile vehicle designed to meet the needs of modern commuters and businesses alike. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Suzuki Minibus showcases a refined yet practical design. Suzuki has taken a minimalistic approach, but with modern aesthetics. The front grille has been updated, featuring sleek chrome accents that give it a contemporary look, while the LED headlights provide excellent illumination and a touch of sophistication. The compact dimensions make it perfect for navigating urban environments, yet it maintains a commanding presence on the road. The aerodynamic shape not only enhances fuel efficiency but also contributes to its modern styling. The sliding doors on both sides ensure easy access, and the large windows offer a spacious and open feel, perfect for both passengers and drivers. The newly designed alloy wheels add a stylish flair, completing the exterior package. Under the hood, the Suzuki Minibus is powered by a 1.5-liter hybrid engine. This setup strikes a balance between performance and efficiency. The hybrid system ensures smooth acceleration and reduces fuel consumption, making it an eco-friendly choice for city driving. The lightweight chassis enhances maneuverability, allowing the minibus to glide through tight spaces and congested streets with ease. Despite its compact size, it delivers impressive power when needed, ensuring a responsive and enjoyable driving experience. The suspension system has been tuned for comfort, absorbing road imperfections to provide a smooth ride for passengers. Additionally, the vehicle's safety features, including advanced stability control and adaptive braking, inspire confidence behind the wheel. Inside, the Suzuki Minibus is all about functionality and comfort. The cabin is surprisingly spacious, with ample headroom and legroom for passengers. The dashboard features a clean, intuitive layout, with a high-resolution infotainment system that supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The materials used are durable yet comfortable, ideal for heavy use in a variety of settings. Storage compartments are thoughtfully placed throughout, and the foldable seats provide flexibility for both passengers and cargo. Overall, the 2025 Suzuki Minibus is a testament to Suzuki's commitment to innovation and practicality. Whether you're looking for a reliable vehicle for business or personal use, this minibus delivers in style, performance, and versatility. Stay tuned to Speed Zone for more in-depth reviews and insights. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.